Watch the shoe. You watching the shoe? Okay, here goes. Ugh!
Again, Daddy.
Again? I can't do it again. That was exceedingly rare. I couldn't do it if I tried. What you got there?
A doll.
Yeah? It's a good doll. It's a naked doll. How come? Why do your dolls always end up naked?